In the beginning, when a lot of people started writing, Medium was a safe and easy way to share their work. Today, there's more to the story. Content creators are now also making money on this well-known platform. No surprise, Medium is seeing a big rise in the number of people who sign up for it. What is Medium? All people can use Medium to write blogs. If you want to write on a blogging platform, you don't have to be a good writer to do so. When someone joins the site, they can write about their own ideas, stories, and insights, and anyone can do the same. What's more, there's almost no limit to the topics you can study. Medium is good for anyone who wants to write about everything from entrepreneurship and technology to music and food. The reason Medium has become so popular is because it makes things easy to understand. In order to get the most out of Medium publications, you must follow the rules set out by the platform. The platform doesn't have any extras. A lot of people ask this question: how does the Medium platform work? To put your blog post on Medium, you first need to sign up for a free account. You can either help with the publication of certain stories or write your own posts. If you sign up with Facebook or Twitter, your friends will start following your Medium account. As a content publisher, you can also make changes to the content. Build your profile and get people to start following you on the platform to make money while writing. Medium has a membership program, which means users pay a fee to read and write as many articles as they want. This lets them read and write as many articles as they want. When a paying member reads and claps for your story, some of their money goes into your bank account. You can also use Medium to run your own business. If you own a business, you can use the platform to show off your skills and your business. How much money can you make on Medium? For people who want to make some extra money writing for other people, Medium is a good place to start. Even if you think it can be a full-time job and a source of income, let's look at a case. If a paying member only claps for 5 stories in a month, that would be a lot. Each author then gets $1. It doesn't matter how many times the same person claps for the same author. Each author only gets a few cents. People who write on Medium make about earn from $25 per month in the first few months when they are trying to build up their profiles and make money. Writers make more money if they post often and write high-quality content. A top member can make about $1,000 per month. Ways to make money on Medium. There aren't a lot of ways to make money on Medium, but that doesn't mean that writers can't start writing and start making money. Writers who are good at this platform use a lot of different ways to make money on it. There are some things we should look at a little better. The author bonuses. Since last year, Medium is paying from $500 to $1,000 to writers. These bonuses were given to the writers who got the most reads, claps, and followers. Make your content popular with your readers, and you'll have a better chance of getting the bonus money, too. Recommendations from your friends. This is another new feature Medium added to its site last year. Affiliate marketing was one of them. Members get a unique affiliate link or referral landing page that they can use. In the case that your friends join Medium and pay to be able to read more, you get a cut and earn money. It is called the Medium Partner Program. Most people who write on Medium use the Partner Program to make money. In order to become a partner with Medium, you will put your content behind a paywall. An interested Medium member will then have to pay for your piece. The Partner Program also has people who look for the best stories. In order for a story to be on the site's home page, in its emails, and on its user feed, it has to meet certain criteria. People who make content can then reach more people and make more money as a result of this. 2. Medium stories. Another simple way to make more money on Medium is to import stories into the site. Medium is a good way to get your content seen because it has a lot of people. In your own blog, this isn't likely. By sharing stories from the past, you can get your message out even more. Tips for making money on Medium. It's important to have a plan for Medium stories so you can reach more people on Medium. That way, you can increase your chances of making money. Here are some things that might help. Number 1, make your articles a little bit longer. The best way to show how unique your content is to go into depth on topics that other people care about. To help with this, you should write a lot of long posts. When you write long articles, you can add more keywords that can help you get more people to read your articles. Number 2, make high-quality content. Regardless of what you write about, you need to be good at it to stand out. Remember that Medium is a very popular platform, and there are a lot of good writers on there. You can't compete with them if you don't pay attention to the quality of your work. When you write a Medium post, make sure it's correct and that it's easy to read. Is there a lot of text? Is there correct punctuation in each sentence? Is the overall tone the same? To make your Medium posts more interesting, ask these questions. It's also important to stay the same, so try to post at least one story every week. Number 3, get your work in front of Medium members. It's just like any other social media platform. Medium is all about collaboration and bringing people who have the same interests together. That's why you need to focus on getting to know people on Medium. Follow other writers who write about the same things and talk to them. That way, you will be able to get people to pay attention to your content. Number 4, pay attention to your headlines. In order to make money on Medium, one of the first things you need to think about is how important headlines are to your posts. You can't expect people to read your article unless it has a good title. Number 5, build credibility before going behind the paywall. Even though your goal is to make more money with your articles, you can't go behind the Medium paywall right away because you have to pay, not until you have shown that you are trustworthy. So, as a new writer, think about writing some great articles that will make your readers want to read more. Number 6, make a good first impression. Medium users don't just read articles. They also read the stories behind each piece of content that they find on the platform. Well-organized profiles tell your audience about you and what makes you different from other new writers. They'd also show them how you are different from them. You can link to your own website or blog and tell the audience why you like writing. You can also say why you like writing. In order to turn your Medium account into an example of your writing, you can add useful information to it. Take your time making your account on the site. Remember that Medium is a very popular platform, and there are a lot of good writers on there. You can't compete with them if you don't pay attention to the quality of your work. When you write a Medium post, make sure it's correct and that it's easy to read. Make a long article and confirm the correct punctuation in each sentence. Make sure the overall tone are the same. To make your Medium posts more interesting, ask questions from the audience.